Okay, let's see how can we get this. Take a line tool, draw a line. Okay, and take a ellipse tool. By holding shift, draw an ellipse which intersects the points to the line. Make a copy of the ellipse tool. Okay, and make another copy of the ellipse tool. Make its size bigger. Make sure they all intersect with each other. Make the size bigger so that they intersect each other. Okay. Click Ctrl Y so that you can see the outlines. Make sure all are intersected. If not, try to intersect this. Okay. Check out the lines are intersected or not. Select all. Go to Shape Builder tool. By holding left click, draw a line like this. Yes, finally you can obtain the cloud shape. Go to Fill Color. And give a color. And then click OK. Finally, you can get the cloud effect. For more tutorials, do follow and subscribe the YouTube channel.